sure you stop when you reach the end, or you might be watching from the floor.
Better than watching from the wall.
Oh, heck, I kinda like it up here. Remind you, there's no eating,
Drinking?
or smoking allowed in the theater. And you can take all the photos and video you like. Just please, no flash photography or video lighting. We've already got Rufus on spotlight.
Do we? Psst, Rufus, wake up! Oh.
Over here.
Sorry.
Okay, everybody, now we're ready to start. Give us a little intro there, Gomer. Howdy, folks. Welcome to the one and only original Countryt Bear Musical Jamboree, featuring a wild and woolly assortment of grizzled old grizzlies singing a little country, a little western, and a whole lot of everything in between. So get those paws tapping and those claws flapping for five bears who need no introduction, but I'll give them one anyway. Let's hear it for the five bear rocks! Hit it, boys! And now, sweeter than a hive full of honey, it's our very own Trixie and the talented trio, Bunny, Bubbles, and Beulah. Or is it Beulah, Bunny, and Bubbles? Well, any way you count it, triple the fun. Okay, boys, now why don't we try something a little different? How about a love song, man?
Fish? You're making me hungry.
Not me, I'm stuffed.
Okay, our next performer used to play with the Mineral King, but he's here now. A furry firestorm of fiddling Floridian fury. Take it away, Ernest.
He's on fire today.
Yeah, he's really burning through our fiddle budget. Can't believe we have a fiddle budget. Oh, he sounds super talented, super talented, super cute. Sounds really good. Where did he come from?
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide?
I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under. Honey, magic, carpet ride, a whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear. But now I'm in a whole new world with you. Y'all swing by and see me sometime.
I would, but I'm scared of heights.
And I'm scared of swings.
Oh, you know, it might surprise you to learn that our next performer is still an eligible bachelor.
Is it the clumpy way he walks?
Or the grumpy way he talks.
Or the pear-shaped, square-shaped weirdness of his feet? And though we know he washes well, he always ends up sort of smelly.
But you'll never be a princess to the truth. Everyone's never gets her lover. That's what it's all about. Rubber raise her. Raise herself and round yourself. Everyone's never gets her lover. When push comes to shove, the only fixer-upper is true.
Remember me. Oh, I had to say goodbye. Remember me. Just don't let it make you cry. Too sad. I can't go home.
Poor guy.
Poor curtains.
Well, folks, I'd say that's a rendition we'll remember for a long time. Now, how about we do one of my favorites? You've got a friend in need. You've got a friend in need. I say, you've got problems. I got it too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do. We stick together, we can see it through. 'Cause you got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me.
Out there to join us for the finale.
Great idea, Sammy. Hey, gang, hit it.
So let's the curtain. Remember.
Well, folks, this concludes our show. As you can see, we're still barely keeping it together. Now gather up all your bare necessities and exit out the doors on your right. What do you say, Sammy?
I say